If you're buying your first investment property, then I've got the perfect one to show you guys, and I'm gonna explain to you why this is the perfect first time investment property, or actually pretty much for any investor. This property here is in Brantford, Ontario. My client just purchased it and I'm gonna take you guys on a tour. So we're actually doing the home inspection right now. This is a legal duplex. It has two of everything. Two driveways, one in the front and one in the back. So the tenants won't even see each other. It has two furnaces, two hydrometers, two of everything. So you can put the bills back to each tenant. They don't have to go to the landlord, they go directly to the tenant. The tenants won't even see each other. It's like they're not even living in the same property. So come on, let's check it out. So this unit here is a 3-bedroom unit. The back unit is a 2-bedroom. And they even have their own mailboxes. So this is the front driveway for the first unit. You're gonna come in right through this door and you walk right in. Closet space, nice big living room right here. You have the kitchen right here. All brand new appliances. This whole place was just fully renovated. It's perfect. Upstairs we have 3 bedrooms. Now this unit has 2 full bathrooms. So renting this out, the tenants have all brand new appliances. They have 3 large bedrooms, above grade, no units are downstairs, so you're not gonna get that message on Friday night that your tenant's being too loud and they're asking you to message the other one to keep them quiet. This is the perfect property for management purposes. Let's go check out the other unit. So again here, super important. Both cars can park side by side. Now, even though there's another driveway for the other unit, these guys have the convenience of being able to go in and out without any issues. And the driveway also goes all the way along here. So because it's a 3-bedroom, most tenants are probably gonna have 2 cars and you won't have any issues with that here. So this unit here is the second unit. Now, the way that this property was designed though, was that they actually used the back door for this unit so that the front unit can park here and the back unit can park in the backyard, right where there's a laneway there and another driveway. This property even has 2 garages. It's insane. So come through here, check this out. You walk in right here. This is unit number 2. But let me show you the coolest thing about this property. Right back here, private backyard. And there's a driveway right there. That's another garage where you can fit 2 more cars. How convenient is that? So whoever rents out this unit will park back there, they'll enter through here, come on in. Don't even need to see the front unit. It's super convenient. You wanna buy properties like this that are gonna be super easy for you to manage. Less stress as a landlord, high income, all the bills go to the tenants. It's perfect. Okay, so they even have their own storage because, again, each unit has their own basement. So that's another basement area with a ton of storage, just in case they want to use it. Another storage shed right here. You can really increase your rents with these things because you're not just charging for the unit, you're charging for the parking with the garage, more storage, high rent. That's exactly what you want because you're gonna make sure that you get the most amount of cash flow possible. It's all about that cash flow, baby. Let's go check this out, okay? So, next unit here. Let's get some lights on. This unit, again, fully renovated. You have 2 bedrooms, kitchen space right here, all brand new renovations, strong materials too, because when you're renting out your property and you have tenants coming in it, let's be honest, sometimes they beat things up, they scratch stuff up. So you wanna make sure it's very tenant friendly, not over renovated with high-end materials, because if they beat that up, guess who has to pay for that later? So this unit right here, living room space. Again, you have the other door here, but this one's blocked off so that they don't use that driveway. I mean, they can go out there to grab their mail, but we want to try to have it so that front area is more for those tenants. Another thing, super, super important, I can't stress this enough, when you have a lot of rental properties, there's a thermostat right here, and there's a thermostat in there. Again, Friday night, your landlord just trying to relax. You don't want the tenant messaging you saying it's too cold in my unit or it's too hot in my unit. Can you tell the other tenant to turn it down? They're gonna start bumping heads, getting into fights, creates a bad atmosphere. You want nice and easy, manageable properties with high income. That's what it's all about. So we come this way. You have another bedroom right here, nice and spacious. Something that is super, super important. There is laundry in this unit and there is laundry in that unit. I've owned a lot of rental properties, and one of the most annoying things that ever happened was tenants messaging me saying, hey, it's my laundry day, and the other tenant still left his clothes in there. These are things that can be very annoying because you're almost like you're babysitting the property, and it's not what you want to do. So again, 2 laundry units, 2 of everything. The tenants have control of their unit. They will love it here. They won't feel like they're annoyed with the other tenants. I can't stress this enough. Now, we have the full bathroom right here. Again, nice bathroom, beautiful renovation, everything the tenant needs. Let me show you guys one of the coolest things about this property that excited me the most. Come over here. Check this out. So this is the back garage for unit number 2. You have a laneway so they can pull in and park right here. They also have another driveway spot right here. So this to me, based off of experience of having properties, is super convenient and easy to manage for the landlord. I can't stress this enough. Now, if you are a first-time home buyer or somebody that's looking to house hack, this is the type of property that you want because you can move into one unit and have majority of the expenses paid by the other unit. And then, as you stay over time, you build equity into the property, you can also refinance it, or what you can do is rent out the second unit and move to the next one and do it again. And that's how you build that domino effect of getting multiple properties. My very first property, I did the exact same thing. I house hacked it, I rented the basement, I lived upstairs, mortgage free, just chilled in the property while I made money. All my earned income was getting saved so I could invest it, and that passive income was paying for my bills. When you're buying an investment property, especially one like this, my client picked this property up for $570,000, which is an insane price for a legal duplex. This one is in Brantford, Ontario. We check everything with the city. You wanna make sure that it is a legal unit, so when you rent it out, you don't have any issues with the city, and they can't come and rain on your parade later. Now we're doing all of our due diligence. We have our home inspector here. Today is the home inspection day. Before we go firm, we wanna make sure that there's no issues on the property. So when we take the keys, it's literally put it on the market, get it rented as fast as possible. Because the truth is, the longer it sits vacant, the more it costs you money. So you need to make sure that you're prepared to hit that leasing market, fill it with tenants at high market value rent, so you start getting cash flow right away, and over time, you can refinance the property or buy another one and do it again. Now, the truth, not everything is always sunshine and rainbows. We do have the home inspector here. So let's go inside, make sure there's no issues. He's definitely gonna throw a couple of things because that's normal. There's always a few little things, but there's always a solution, whether it's taking money off the price or getting the seller to fix it. Let's go check it out.
The hot water tank is disabled, the gas is turned off to it, and all the major appliances aren't plugged in.
Okay.
They're all brand new, so that's why they haven't set them up to run. If you turn that oven on, the styrofoam inside will just melt.
Okay.
We want to leave it nice for clients to come and peel the plastic themselves.
Okay, so I have it in the agreement that all of this stuff is supposed to be in good working order anyways, so that's good. Now, the water, you said, is a little bit dirty here?
Yeah.
How do we solve that problem?
Ideally, we flush the hot water tank. So it doesn't come on when it's cold water.
And is the hot water working?
No.
You're saying no, it's not plugged in.
The tank's turned off and disabled. So the water that's pulling out of it right now is full of the silt and the dirt from the bottom of the tank.
So do you think that's why it's dirty, or do we need a softener?
Could do either way.
Okay.
My money's that's why, because that's why you get this calcium staining.
Right.
With the white.
Okay.
If you have Brantford's no, you should probably have a water softener.
Okay.
We'll have to see what the other basement has in it too.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, so those are not major items, okay? A lot of this stuff is just not connected, but it's all brand new. 2023 hot water tank, 2023 furnace. These windows are brand new. The roof is not old. So all these big expenses are covered. You don't need to buy the property and spend a ton of money. So not only to get it at a good price, it's gonna cash flow, everything's brand new. We don't have to stress about that, but we do have to confirm with the sellers, because the hot water tank is not connected and the appliances, that they are in good working order before we take possession. That's super important, because if you close on the property and it's not working and we have issues, it's harder to deal with it at that time. So if you're looking to invest in real estate, buy your first piece of property, house hack, buy multifamily. These are important things that you have to pay attention to. And I'm a local realtor in Ontario, so if you are looking to purchase a home just like this, shoot me an email, send me a text, or give me a call, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.